Welcome to the top best. The best electrician tool belt is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any professional electrician, offering a convenient and organized way to carry and access all the necessary tools right at your fingertips, saving you valuable time and effort on the job site. Number 5. RAK Magnetic Wristband for Tools. Introducing the RAK Magnetic Wristband, the perfect companion for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It's designed to keep your essential small hardware right where you need them. Equipped with 10 extra strong magnets, this wristband securely holds screws, nails, and drill bits. This means no more fumbling for dropped items, making your work more efficient. Whether you're working on home improvement, construction, or auto repair, this tool is incredibly versatile. You can wear it on your wrist, attach it to your belt, or hang it near your workspace. Designed for maximum comfort, it features a breathable mesh and an adjustable strap for a perfect fit. It feels like a convenient tool belt, but for your wrist. Crafted from rugged 1680 ballistic nylon, this wristband is tear-resistant and built for demanding jobs. It's a practical and unique gift for any handyman or DIYer. Looking for a unique gift for Father's Day, a birthday, or the holidays? This magnetic wristband is a fantastic choice for dads, husbands, grandpas, and any handy person in your life. What we like. This magnetic wristband is perfect for keeping small metal parts like screws and nails within easy reach. If you're tired of dropping or fumbling for fasteners, this is a game changer. It's ideal for anyone doing intricate work where having both hands free is essential. What people say. This electrician tool belt has multiple pockets and loops for organizing various tools. The durable material of the tool belt ensures it can withstand heavy use on job sites. Adjustable straps allow for a comfortable and secure fit for different waist sizes. Number 4. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch. Introducing the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch. It's designed for professionals who need quick access to their essential tools. This pouch features 9 dedicated pockets, providing ample space to keep all your necessary tools neatly organized and within reach. It also includes a specialized electrical tape thong, ensuring your tape is always accessible when you need it for electrical work. The robust tunnel loop is designed to fit belts up to 2 inches wide, offering a secure and stable way to carry it. With its easy grab-and-go styling, you can keep your most frequently used tools right at hand, saving you time and effort on the job. This holster is an excellent choice for electricians and other tradesmen who demand durability and functionality from their tool accessories. What we like. This tool pouch offers a streamlined way to carry your most frequently used items. With its dedicated pockets and tape thong, it's designed for quick grab-and-go access. If you're an electrician or maintenance professional who needs immediate access to specific tools without the bulk of a full belt, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tool belt is well made and durable, with plenty of pockets for organizing tools. It's comfortable to wear, even for long periods, and the adjustable straps ensure a good fit. The reinforced stitching and heavy-duty material make it a reliable choice for professional electricians. Number 3. Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt. Introducing the Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt, designed for ultimate durability and comfort. Whether you're an electrician, carpenter, or working on a construction site, this belt is made for any job. It's perfect for roofing, general construction, or even your DIY projects at home. Crafted from heavy-duty polyester with double-stitched seams and reinforced metal rivets, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions and prevent ripping. It features 5 large pockets, 4 smaller pockets, and 2 dedicated hammer loops. You'll have plenty of space to carry all the tools you need to get the job done efficiently. The adjustable, sturdy webbed belt comes with a quick-release buckle, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit throughout your workday. What we like. Built with heavy-duty polyester and reinforced stitching, this tool belt is made to withstand demanding jobs. It offers a generous amount of pockets and hammer loops for versatile tool organization. If you're a tradesperson like an electrician, carpenter, or handyman looking for a reliable and spacious belt to carry a wide array of tools, this is a solid option. What people say. The belt is very durable and holds up well to daily use. Multiple pockets and loops allow for easy organization of tools. The padded belt provides excellent comfort, even when fully loaded. Number 2. Handy Organizer Garden Tool Pouch by Case for Life. Keep all your essential tools conveniently at waist height. This allows for easy access while you focus on your work. It features a smart storage design with multiple pockets, including a large zip pocket and dedicated pouches. There's even a hammer loop for total organization. Stay comfortable and pain-free by remaining upright. It's perfect for anyone tired of constantly crouching down. This is ideal for a wide range of projects and professions. It's perfect for anyone who loves hands-on work. Constructed from heavy-duty canvas with reinforced seams, it's built to withstand years of daily use. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit with the fully adjustable waistband and quick-release buckle. It's designed to fit both men and women perfectly. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This makes an excellent present for various holidays and occasions. What we like. This utility belt apron is designed for ultimate convenience, keeping all your essentials at waist height. Its smart storage includes a zip pocket and multiple pouches, reducing the need to bend over. If you're a gardener, florist, or DIY enthusiast who values comfort and easy access to tools while working upright, this offers a practical solution. What people say. The belt is made of durable leather and has multiple pockets for tools. It is adjustable and comfortable to wear, even for long periods. The tool belt is well organized and makes it easy to find the tools you need. Number 1. Gatorback B240 Electrician's Combo Belt. Introducing the Gatorback B240 Electrician's Combo, designed for ultimate comfort and durability. This heavy-duty work belt offers superior back support for your demanding jobs. Experience unparalleled comfort with our patented air channel design. It ensures breathability and keeps you sweat-free, even during long workdays. The ultra-breathable foam backing adds to the cool, comfortable feel. This belt is engineered for toughness. Every stress point is reinforced with riveting and bar tacking, guaranteeing that it will withstand rigorous use and last for a long time. Our pouches feature an interior plastic lining, maintaining a sturdy box shape that won't sag. This design keeps them open and easily accessible. Unlike other pouches, the box design prevents tools from poking through the bottom. Keep your tools secure and your belt in excellent condition. Enjoy the added benefit of Pro Comfort back support. It's designed to provide excellent lumbar support, reducing strain and fatigue. What we like. This Electrician's Combo Belt prioritizes comfort with its patented air channel design, keeping you cool and sweat-free. The pouches are built tough with a unique box design that prevents sagging and keeps tools accessible. If you're an electrician who spends long hours on the job and needs a supportive, durable, and well-organized tool belt that won't let you down, this is a top contender. What people say. The belt is very durable and has plenty of pockets for all my tools. I love how adjustable the belt is, it fits perfectly and doesn't dig into my waist. The tool belt is well made and has a good weight distribution, making it comfortable to wear for long periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.